The other people should be here soon, I'd hope. But who knows? They aerated. It stinks. Where is this dude? Oh, there he is. What am I doing Saturday? I don't know, why? Luke? Luke, last year Luke, right? Well, that was smart. I didn't know you could do that. When did it get so windy? Just so you guys know, this is a mic. They're gonna be a little bit. What's up, bro? So we're on the tee box waiting, so you're good. Shoot. Nah, they're scared, I know. They definitely didn't go 3 under the other day or whatever.
No, they didn't go 3 under.
We should have counted their strokes. Wow. My bad. 1 under? Alright. Let me just get out of your way real quick.
Oh.
I blame the beach. A little banana. Dude, this tee box is legit. Look at this. I think it's longer than it says. Alright, they're clapping?
Yeah.
That's good. Alright, Tiger. Yeah, alright. Hi, Alex. I love you. Oh my god. Just stop talking, bro. That sounded pounded, I'm not gonna lie. That's actually pretty pounded. Nice shot. Oh, that is tasty, I will say. He said, hey, Mike. Yes. Me or you? I don't care, you go.
Oh, yes.
There's literally nothing better than fall golf.